Are you stressing out about moving to or from Spearfish, South Dakota? Don't worry, Three Movers understands that moving can be stressful. Our job is to take the stress away from moving. Just call 888-908-6496 to speak to our friendly staff and book our team of professionals for your next big move. Not only do we have the new trucks, but we have all the boxing, padding, packing supplies, and everything you'll need. That's right, we have full-service packing where we send our team to your house or office to pack everything for you. After we transport your belongings to your new location, we can also unpack everything for you, making this the easiest move you'll ever do. If you wish to save some money, then you can hire us just for the transportation part. Our guys will be happy to load and unload the truck for you. We offer local, long-distance, and even international moving services to and from South Dakota. We also get your car, motorcycle, boat, or other large items from point A to point B safely and at an affordable price. If you need storage, then we've got you covered with locations all over the USA. Visit our website 3movers.com to get a free quote or give us a call at 888-908-6496. Our phone lines are open 24/7.